What's the meaning of bibliographic? Bibliographic. Bibliographic.
Bibliographic. Bibliographic. The term bibliographic refers to anything related to books or written works. It pertains to the identification, description, and organization of printed or published materials. The process of creating bibliographic records involves collecting and analyzing information about a particular work, such as its author, title, publisher, publication date, and subject matter. Bibliographic data is used in various fields, including library science, publishing, research, and academia. Accurate bibliographic information is critical for ensuring proper citation of sources and facilitating access to information. In summary, bibliographic relates to the study and management of books and written materials, encompassing all aspects of their identification and organization.